YouTube, what is going on, y'all, man? We are back with another video. As y'all can see, the SRT is behind me. Finally, check it out, man. I've missed this car so much. Oh my goodness, I finally got it back today. I wasn't even ready. As y'all can see, my hair look a mess. I was not expecting to get it back today. I was debating on whether or not I should call them, and I didn't call them. I'm like, all right, I'm just wait till Wednesday, because they said a whole bunch of parts didn't come in, because, you know, y'all don't know, I actually crashed my SRT, but it's back now. But man, I'm just so happy to have this thing back. I was not expecting to get it back today. As y'all can see, look where we at. We at the gas station, bro. That's exactly where this car is going to stay. Gas is high as heck, bro. Like, let me show you how much I paid. This is not filling it up either. I paid $50, and gas it's actually cheaper. I drove here because it was cheaper, $4.999. Okay, so it's not that bad, because like everywhere else is like $5.04, $5.40 a gallon. So this is way cheaper. It's still high, don't get me wrong, but it's way cheaper. But man, I'm in love with this car, man. Check it out. As y'all can see, SRT on the seats, man. I don't know what this is called. I think this is so it's not Sway, Alcantara seats, man. Oh my goodness. And it's manual. Man, y'all know I got some lit content coming for y'all on this car, man. I got a GoPro and everything. You know, I wasn't prepared to get it today, so I ain't bringing that with me. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back to the crib. I'm probably gonna see y'all tomorrow, so I can get y'all some good footage of me driving this thing, because I know y'all want to see me drive this thing in manual. This thing's amazing. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get home, or tomorrow I'm gonna show y'all some of the clips. What is good, y'all, man? It's your boy SRTJ, and we are back with another video. Y'all can see I'm lit, man. As y'all can see behind me, we got the SRT back. Finally, y'all don't know how excited I am. I'm going to show y'all. But look, this is my baby. I've talked about this in all my videos. If y'all don't know what happened, I accidentally. This is my baby right here, man. This is my baby. Check it out. So, inside, got the SRT on the dash. SRT seats. This is like Alcantara. Oh my goodness, bro. And it's a manual. So my manual boys out here, y'all gonna love this content. I'm gonna set up my GoPro, get y'all a little drive, some pulls. First pulls in SRT since I got it yesterday. So this is really emotional for me, guys. I'm in love. And shout out to the coldest water, all right, man. If y'all want this bottle right here, use my code SRT, link in the description. You get 10% off. But let's get into it, man. Ain't gonna waste y'all time. Give y'all a little cold start. It's not cold, obviously, because I drove it here, but we got a little warm start, some pulls, POVs of me stroking that shifter. One thing I will say about my car is when you start it up, it's not too loud unless it's like a cold start. But once you rev it, because I got some Corsa, it's not stock exhaust, I got Corsa exhaust on the back. So it sounds pretty good when you rev it first. Y'all, hopefully I still got it, you know what I'm saying, because I ain't drove manual in like a month. But man, what in the world? Oh, that's my coldest water bottle, you know what I'm saying, 10% off, y'all want it. All right, boys, we are moving. Now, one thing I will say I want to change is this shifter. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a pistol grip shifter. To me, it's like a big deal, though. I'm sorry if my parents are watching this, but like, I don't like, you know what I'm saying, I don't like I don't like this huge shifter, man. It's old school, but I want like a little circle knob shifter, so I'm gonna have to definitely invest in one of those. But hey, this car, it feels amazing. It feels just like how I got it when I first got it. If y'all don't know, I got this car with 5,000 miles on it. It's crazy. Got a little straight away, give y'all a little something. Nothing too crazy. Y'all are wondering, this is a 6-speed manual. I love it, man. This is actually my first car, and my first car was manual. So I learned how to drive manual. And when one day, as soon as I got the car, I learned how to drive manual. Next day I drove to school. Like, I promise you, you can ask my papa, anybody I know, I promise you. But we got a tunnel coming up, so I'm gonna definitely go crazy for y'all in this tunnel. Here we go. Yeah, man, I want y'all to let me know in the comments what's like one thing, if y'all had the car, what's one thing y'all would change about it or add to it, you know what I'm saying? All right, that's basically the same thing. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. What would y'all want to do to the car? Honestly, it's like I have a whole bunch of ideas I wanted to do to the car. Like before, I was gonna trade it in. I ain't gonna lie. Before I got into a wreck, I was gonna trade it in. But now the value went down. I think because I think they counted it as a crash. I'm actually not sure, but I was gonna trade this in for a scat pack, and I'm glad I didn't. Like, because everybody got scat packs and hellcats. You don't really see a manual Challenger, SRT8 at that, a 6.1 version of it too. So I'm glad. I feel like everything happened for a reason. So, we are real mean one. Told y'all it was gonna be a mean one. I'm like speechless. Like I love this car so much. All right, let me stop because gas is like $5 a gallon. I just can't stop though. I ain't gonna lie. Let me know in the comments what y'all favorite Challenger is. Y'all can pick any Challenger to have, right? What y'all picking? Most of y'all probably gonna say like hellcats, ain't y'all? Done. That was my last pull of the video. I'm actually done. I need something to drink. All right, YouTube, man, we are done just blowing gas. It was worth it in my opinion. Actually, it wasn't because gas is $5 a gallon. But anyways, check it out, man. Give y'all one more walkthrough. Got the 6.1 Hemi on there, and at the front, got the big SRT. You know what I'm saying? That's where my name comes from, SRTJ. But like I was saying earlier, I do want to change this nasty shifter, bro, because it's just too long and wonky. I mean, it's cool, it's not bad, but you know, I need a circle one. So that's definitely gonna be the first change we got. And like I was saying earlier, wide body kit. What do y'all feel about that? How do y'all think a wide body kit would look on this car? I think I can pull it off. I just gotta get some bigger tires and spacers, of course. But I think that a wide body kit would definitely, like, you don't see that on this model of a Challenger, really. So, and it's orange. You know, orange is just a goated color. But let me know in the comments how you feel about that. Wide body kit, new shifter. Now, I know a lot of y'all gonna say muffler delete. So like I was saying earlier, I have Corsa. These are Corsa performance exhausts, right? So this is a whole exhaust setup. So it wouldn't be smart to cut the mufflers on there, you know what I'm saying? Because we kind of paid a lot of money for the pipes. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to think, or what y'all think I should change, or what would y'all change about the car, and I'll let y'all know what I think about it. Definitely, like I said, shifter, first thing's getting changed, gotta go, and maybe rims. All right, YouTube, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all like this video. Listen, let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. I promise y'all I can bring it to y'all. Y'all know the car meet's coming, because you know I'm back in the car community now. I got my car, so I'll definitely be going to some car meets, vlogging, all that. But anything else y'all want to see, just let me know in the comments, and I will see y'all in the next one. Y'all stay safe out there, for the most part. Stay safe, and I'm see y'all in the next one. Oh my goodness, this is emotional, bro. This is emotional. This is so emotional, bro. I have not been in this car in like months, and I'm finally getting it back, bro. Y'all don't understand how happy I am. It's hot outside. We get y'all the first. It's probably not a cold start, you know, but oh my God, it's manual. I didn't. Oh my goodness, y'all don't understand. I don't even want to start it. First cold start. We're gonna let the windows down too. I ain't gonna lie, that was trash.
Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood, that shit look good like right.